Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPEN, O-P-E-N. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day on this one, especially the last 30 minutes. I mean, the last 30 minutes formed what in the world of candlestick analysis is known as a hammer candle. This hammer candle formed on good solid green volume. Now, does that mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to go back upwards? Of course not. No such thing as a guarantee. But would it be shocking to see the price start to go back up? No, I don't think that would shock anybody. So if the price does start to go back up, it now becomes a question of, okay, well, how can we gauge the health or lack thereof of any sort of bounce? And that's where the first key update comes into play. Just going to go ahead and get rid of that level. And that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $17 mark was that area of support. But with the price now down below it, like I said, that would be considered an area of resistance and a level where, okay, if this thing does start to bounce, if the hammer candle continues to produce upwards movement, the question becomes not necessarily can the price get back up to 17, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So that'll definitely be a level that you're going to want to watch very closely. You know, if this hammer candle, like I said, does indeed produce a bounce. And then from more so the overarching standpoint, you'll want to continue to watch that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time. And again, that first key hurdle is going to be, can the price even get back up to 17 and, break above it? As far as levels of support, nothing fancy or complicated here. Literally just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that finally stopped during that last 30 minutes down there at $15.90. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that moving forward. But overall, with that final 30 minutes here and that hammer candle, certainly produces a very interesting dynamic here headed into Wednesday. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.